Introducing world's first classic VIN decoding mobile app. To decode any classic VINs in seconds, simply enter the VIN to decode any classic vehicle before the year 1981. Use it anytime in the future. Just tap Save. Get a free VIN check to decode year, make, model, and more. Get a vehicle history report to check. Detailed specifications. Auction records with photos. Sales history. Title and conditions. Title history. Accident records. Theft records. Lien records. And more. That's not it yet. Get the world's first classic window stickers, also known as build sheets, to check. Original base price. Detailed specifications. Optional equipment. Number of produced. And more. Access your VIN search history anytime from the app to keep track of all your past searches. Sign up on ClassicDecoder.com today and start your vehicle search. Download now for free.